Oh my god. But what is that?
Sprunki Eater is calling me!
Oh my god, guys, look! We found a gigant Sprunki! Oh no! He attacked my car! What you doing? Hello, are you ready to the fight? 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh no! Sprunki Eater is calling me!
Seriously? Really? Oh my god, guys, that's a real Sprunki Eater and he called at 3 a.m. Okay, I answer. Hello, Sprunki Eater. Hello. That's Trent.
Look, that's orange!
Now we're gonna do a challenge and you see who is survive in this crazy car challenge. Okay, let's go. Yo, okay, are you ready? It's first challenge. Car jump with is the
Pillow!
yes, okay. Okay, let's go watch who winner. Whoa! It's a Mr. Sun. Whoa. Mr. Sun and Green and Simon. Oh my god. Okay, let's go challenge number 2. Yo guys, look what I found. Oh my god, but what is that? That's basketball. Oh, yard. Look. Whoa. But what is that? Did you saw that? Maybe Sprunki hiding here. My god. Look. Okay, I have idea. Let's go start my car. Okay guys, are you ready? Today guys, we won't catch a real Sprunki, little Sprunki on this forest. Okay. Let's go GoPro.
Cool!
Yes. I'm ready.
Whoa, it's great!
Let's go start. Okay. Whoa. I found something interesting. Давай, снимай. Something interesting.
What?
Look at my car going to the inside. Oh my god. No way.
Is it stuck?
Yes. But we must go on this place. You saw that one here.
Okay, wow.
What is that? Oh. Yo guys, it's nothing. Okay, let's go find something on the yard. Oh my god! SPRUNKI EATER! Oh no, he broke in my car!
Hey dude, maybe you need to leave this car. It's dangerous.
No, I want to save this toy! That's my favorite toy! And SPRUNKI EATER broke in that!
Hey dude, Oh no, he's close. We have no time.
Okay, you're right. Let's go.
Hey dude, I saw something here. Something is moving and it was orange. Orange color.
Seriously? Oh no, maybe it's orange. Okay, we don't have time, let's go.